Yeah, what was profound was it was probably the first evening that I haven't been in pain in months. Normally by starting 5 or 6 or 7 in the evening, I start to get a lot of inflammation and pain. I mean, sometimes my wrists, my shoulders, my knees. I mean, sometimes it's quite profound. And last night was the first night I didn't have it, so that was very, very cool. And I had a lovely dream sequence normally my pain wakes me up about every 2 hours every night. So sleep deprivation has been um, an issue for me. And so last night I slept like a baby. It's great.